Vasutam Devam Kamsa Chanora Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhusya Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravidam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mamadeva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Gurudeva Deva. Hari Om. We are doing the 14th chapter of Panchadasya of Vidyaranya Swami. This is Brahmanande Vidyanandaha, where how a jnani, Vidya means the one who knows the truth. That is the highest truth. Vidya means science. Science is that which is, science means knowledge. It derived from the word seer, means to know. And Sanskrit, Vid means to know. And Veda means knowledge. And Vedanta is ultimate knowledge, the highest knowledge. And that is the real knowledge. And one who knows and enjoys the beauty of Ananda because of the knowledge is same as Atmananda, because knowledge is Aham Brahmasmi. I am the highest or supreme or infinite. And once you know that, then all other transactions at the worldly level, because as long as the body, mind and intellect are there, that is the jiva is there, the jivan mukta, even though I am understood that I am not a jiva, but still I have to operate as a jiva in the individual as long as the prarabdha continues the body, mind, intellect. So we discussed that in terms of whatever he does at that time, there is no obligations for him, there is no particular I am identification, tadatmyam, that is identity that I am the body, mind, intellect is not there. But he may take that I am the body, mind, intellect for transactional purposes, knowing very well that I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am not the intellect. For him, no scriptures cannot say what he has to do, what he doesn't do. So whether he does whatever he was doing before, he may continue to do it because of the vasanas of the body, mind, and intellect. It's not vasanas of his, because he has no more identity with the karana sarira also. So even though there are vasanas still lingering, but because he has no identity with the karana sarira or sukshma sarira or with the gross Sthula Sarira, even though he operates them, but he will not have that I am the suffering as a result of that. So just as an actor operating with changing the vesham of a king or a beggar or in any particular this scene demands, he may take the dress and operate as though he is a beggar in that scene. He doesn't say I am an actor, I am not a beggar. He cannot say, otherwise people will throw him out. So he has to act as a beggar or a king or a servant or a boss in the scenes, because that's what he is taken the role of that. So I can take the role in my life as a jnani, as a husband or a wife or an employee or anything. That's why Shankaracharya says, Yogaratova, Bhogaratova, Sangaratova, Sangavihinaha, Yajjat Brahmani Ramate Chittam, Nandati Nandati Nandatcheva. So for him, he may do teaching, he may do Shastra study, he may do everything else as before, or he may not even need to do it. As we said, I have studied everything, there is no for me. Srotavyaha, Mantavyaha, Nidijjasitavya is only for the one who has not realized. But if you have realized, there is no Tavyaha. Tavya means you have to do it. That Nidhi Vakyam doesn't apply anymore. Therefore, he may still study, he may still teach, he may still write, he may still talk, he may do all other that are required for the benefit of the totality, because there is nothing he can gain by that. So in the last sloka 57 we did Vishnum dhyayati dhīryājyaha brahmanando viliyatam sathyaham kinchidapyatra nakurve napi karaya. So neither I am a doer nor I propel anyone to do, because there is nothing, this is only drama of life here. So I can do as before, Vishnum Dhyayatam, that is, I can pray Lord Vishnu, may contemplate on Vishnu. Brahmanandi in Brahmananda, Viliyatam, get absorbed in the prayer of the Vishnu itself. Because even though I am for those people who say I am only doing Vishnu Puja, but I am reveling in the Vishnu Sahasranama. Any Vishnu Sahasranama, if you take it, it's a Karanam, Karanam, Karta. So I am Karanam, I am Karanam, I am Karta. So the Vishnu means Vyapakarta, I pervade everything. So he himself is recognizes that. And if you go to any temple, the Arati, the Ashtottara Nama, O Sarvajnaha, Sarvavyapaka, Sarvya, all about God only. But a Jnani may do it thinking that there is not difference between the God and I. That is the Satyaham Kinchidapyatra. So Kinchidapi, anyone among, Nakurvi, I am not forcing anyone to do, nor I am, because I am a witnessing consciousness. We'll do 58 now. Kruta Krutyataya Truptaha, Kruta Krutyataya Truptaha, Prapta Prapyataya Punaha, Prapyataya Punaha, Trushyan Evam Swamanasa, Trushyan Evam Swamanasa, Manyate se Nirantaram, Manyate se Nirantaram. Together. Tushyan evam Krutakrutyataya Truptaha Prapta Prapyataya Punaha Tushyan evam Swamanasa Manyate sau Nirantaram. So Asau, Manyate sau Asau, this wise man or Jivan Mukta, Krutakrutyataya, because he has fulfilled what need to be done. So there is nothing really he need to do anything. He feels Truptaha, completely satisfied. Hey, I am happy as I am, because he is full and therefore he is accomplished. And looking back his life itself, this is the whole thing. If you look at it, it's really fulfillment. Even the so-called suffering, now he looks back, that was needed for my growth only. So there is if you look at some of the lives of Mahatmas, so there is one what called Amma in the Kerala. She's a fisherwoman, but if you read her biography, she suffered a lot. So they own people, their own parents and brothers and all that were mistreating her. She was blacker than the rest of them. Therefore, they were treating her like a servant, and she used to do all the work and in the middle of the night cry and go to Krishna and then cry. But you may feel bad all that looking back, but if you really think back, all that was helpful for her own growth. So J. Krishnamurti went through the Theosophical Society, all that, although he denounced everything, but if you're looking back, all that preparation was necessary for him to do all that. So if you look back your own life, or for my own life, all that is necessary in order for the growth of an individual, and you will say, Krutakrutyataya, I have done what need to be done. All that was required in order for me to be in this state. Prapta Prapataya Punaha, accomplish what need to be accomplished, because there is nothing else more to accomplish. Oh, you have to do this, you have to get to that, all promotions and all that, and everything is only temporal things, and you feel that that's a greatness until you get it, but then you know that there is nothing really there. So once you accomplish what need to be accomplished, there is only complete satisfaction. This is the difference between a worldly achievements versus the self-realization. In the worldly achievements, whenever you get what you want, you still feel that you are an inadequate person. You want to do something more in order to be happy. Whereas here, you are truptaha, completely satisfied, and this is nothing much. This life is okay for me. Whether I live or not, it doesn't matter to me anymore even. The body lives or not, doesn't matter also. That is called trupti. Tushyanevam. So, tushyati means I am fulfilled. So, the Somanasa in his mind, this is the Nirantaram always, Evam Manyate. He feels that he is very happy. That is the sign of a realized person. Then 59. Dhanyoham Nityam Swatmana Manjasa Vidme. Dhanyoham Nityam. Dhanyoham Nityam Swatmana Manjasa Vidme. Swatmana Manjasa Vidme. Dhanyoham Brahmanando Vibhutimi Swastam. Dhanyoham Brahmanando Vibhutimi Swastam. Together. Dhanyoham Nityam Swatmana Manjasa Vidme. Dhanyoham Brahmananda Vibhatimi Swastam. So Dhanyaha Aham. This is what the feeling of a realized person. See, fulfilled I am blessed I am. Nityam, always, Swatmanam, in my real self. Anjasa, so immediately with the know, Dhanyaham, I could know I am, every time I recognize that I am happy, I am fulfilled. The life itself is fulfillment, and you cannot but thank everyone involved in the life for you to reach that state. So Dhanyaha, so Dhanyoham, Brahmanandaha, I am of the infinite happiness itself. There is nothing more for me to gain in order to be happy. Therefore, Swashtam is clearly Vibhati, illumined. So, Asangoham Punah Sachidananda Rupoham Ahamevaham Avyaha. Brahmanandavali, a beautiful song of a realized master. And here is from the slokas from now on, from 59 to the end of it, it is a song of a realized person, how he feels in terms of the accomplishments. 60. Dhanyoham dukkha samsarikam na vichedya. Dhanyoham dukkham samsarikam na vichedya. Samsarikam na vichedya. Dhanyoham swasya jnanam palayitum kwapi. Dhanyoham swasya jnanam palayitum kwapi. Together, all same type. Dhanyoham dukkha samsarikam na vichedya. Dhanyoham swasya jnanam palayitum kwapi. So Dhanyaha Aham, I am blessed I am. Samsarikam, the whole worldly, Dukkham Naviche, I am essentially, I can see the whole thing is gone. So I don't see any more Dukkham. I don't see samsara is unhappiness at all. It is just a drama of, because looking at either positive or tragedy or comedy, I am only a witnessing, enjoy the drama of life. So it becomes a beautiful drama itself. So Dukkham Naviche, I do not see any suffering at all. Aham Dhanyaha. Swasya Ajnanam, so my ignorance of myself of that, Kwapi, somewhere Palayitum, has run away. So the ignorance that about myself I used to have it has run away somewhere, because it is not really real, because the real ignorance cannot go. So it is because at the transaction level it appears to be there. Once at the transaction level I realize that this is not really true, then I am back to myself. Therefore, the ignorance that I had is gone. Or ignorance I never had is gone. Either way. 61. Dhanyoham kartavyam. Dhanyoham kartavyam. Mena vijjate kinchit. Dhanyoham praptavyam. Dhanyoham praptavyam. Sarvamajja sampannam. Together. Dhanyoham kartavyam. Mena vijjate किंचित धन्योहम प्राप्तव्यम सर्वमज्ज संपन्नम. So धन्यः अहम, I am blessed indeed, blessed I am. मे कर्तव्यम किंचित न विद्यते. I have no more duties of any, no obligatories. See, the Krishna says to Arjuna, now you niyamitam kuru. So you do your obligatory duties. As a Kshatriya, you have to do your obligation. But once you are Jnani, you have no obligations of anything. Oh, you have to take care of samsara. No samsara. You have to take care of your wife and children. No wife and no children. Kadekanta kaste putra samsaroya madeva vichitraha kasyam kutayataha tatvam chintaya tadhe brata. So who is wife, who is child, who is not, everything is a passing in that. So as long as you are in that state, you feel it, but at the same time, you are beyond that. Danyoham. So may na vidyate kinchit. There is no the obligatory duties. Kartavyam kinchit na vidyate is left. Danyoham praptavyam sarvam. I have gained all that need to be gained. There is no more. Oh, you have to become millionaire. What for? Say what for? There is this interesting story. One fellow was a fisherman sitting there, and they at the tree and relaxing and without any worries. And then some fellow says, "Why don't you lazy fellow? Why don't you go and fish it?" He said, "What for?" He said, "You can get a lot more fish." "What for?" "Then you can go on and sell them." "What for?" "Then you will have a lot of money." "And what for?" "Then you can enjoy, you can spend and enjoy." That's exactly what I'm doing without all that. So I don't need all that. I am fulfilled as I am. So I am full, infinite. There is nothing more to gain. So praptavyam sarvam. I have gained what all things that need to be gained, because I have gained infinity. There is nothing more to gain. So praptavyam sarvam. And Ajyaha, no, sampannam, gain everything else. I have gained all that need to be gained. And sampannam, all the wealth and everything else is gained. So dhanyaham. 62. Dhanyoham truptir me. Dhanyoham truptir me. Kopama bhavelloke. Dhanyoham truptehe. Dhanyoham truptehe. There's something here. Ka bhavit. Upama bhavit. It's upama bhavit. Truptehe. Dhanyoham truptehe. Kopama bhavit. Kaha upama bhavit. Dhanyoham punah dhanyaha. So me truptehi, I am completely contented. So the contentment that I have is upama, similar, loke, in the world, ka bhavit. Kopama is ka bhavit. So where can there is no similarity, because it's one of a kind. So say, are you feeling happy? How happy are you? What do you mean how happy? There is no comparison of this. So there's incomparable, because it is infinite. There is nothing other than infinite for me to compare with what. So this is called Brahmanandaha. So therefore, this is the contentment. Contentment means there is no more longing mind, wanting mind, desiring mind. Because there is no inadequacy. If there is inadequacy, then it wants something to become adequate. But if I am already full and complete, so mind recognizes that the nature of myself is infinity, and in spite of the limitations of the local mind and intellect, I am part is infinite, and that is my real part. The other part is only superficial action part. So in this work, there is no comparison, and that's what it says here. 63. Aho punyam phalitam drudam फलितं फलितं दृढम् अस्य पुण्यस्य सम्पत्तेः अस्य पुण्यस्य सम्पत्तेः अहो वयम् अहो वयम् together अहो पुण्यं फलितं फलितं दृढम् अस्य पुण्यस्य सम्पत्तेः अहो वयम् so अहो पुण्यम oh what a blessing indeed, what a blessing indeed. This is the merits of my whole, not only this life after life after life. For this only I have been struggling, and I am completely full. No more life, no more birth again. So aho punyam palitam dram. This fruit that I am enjoying is full and complete, and it is firm. There is no changing things because it's infinite. Anya punyasya, asya punyasya, and the happiness of this, of the merits, sampatti, aho vayam. We are blessed again and again and again for having from the point of the jnani is blessed, and the point of the society also blessed, because a person, when he realizes it is the kulam pavitram janani krutartha viswambara punyavati chatena, the whole world universe itself is blessed by having a jnani, and that is essentially aham aho vayam 64. अहो शास्त्रम अहो शास्त्रम अहो गुरुः अहो ज्ञानम अहो ज्ञानम अहो सुखम. So here is a glorifying everything that he can think of, because of that he has accomplished. Aho Shastram, oh greatness of the Shastram, the scripture that taught me this one. Mahashastram, Aho Guru, oh great is my teacher, because of whose grace I am really blessed to be in this state. Aho Jnanam, what a knowledge I have. This knowledge itself is blessed. And Mahasukam, the amount of happiness that is uncomparable or incomparable, and that is the supreme happiness, and this is a very fulfillment of the life, fulfillment of the whole universe itself in the process. 65. Brahmananda Bideg. So that is actually end of the slokas, and now he is completing the last sloka of this chapter with the summary statement. Brahmananda Bide Grandhe Chaturtodhyaya Iritaha Vijyanandastu Tadutpattihi Paryantobhyasa Ishyatam together. Brahmananda Bide Grandhe Chaturtodhyaya Iritaha Vijyanandastudutpattihi Paryantobhyasa Ishyatam. So Brahmananda Abhidaya Grandhe, the name of this text is Brahmananda. This is the last 5 chapters are separately called also the Brahmananda, and therefore this is the Chaturtha Adhyaya of that last 4 chapter of 5 chapters, so the 4th one, and therefore from the total Panchadasi it's the 14th one. So Chaturtha Adhyaya Vijyananda Iritaha, it's called Vijyananda. Brahmanande Vijyananda, so it's called Vijyananda. Tadutpatti Paryantam, until the attainment of that bliss, of that knowledge, Abhyasam Ishyatam. Please go back, those who are studying, go back and start practicing Ishyata. This is what one expects until one reaches that. So with that, we are completing the 14th chapter of that, and we'll take up the 15th chapter perhaps tomorrow when we start our Brahmanande Vishyananda. So that completes the Brahmanande Vijyananda, 14th chapter. With this we stop here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।